Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.